Welcome to the Colossyan Video Learning Center. In this first episode, we'll help you get started from logging in to creating your very first AI-generated video. Let's dive in. When you first log in, you'll land on the home page. This is where you'll find all of your assets, your drafts, the projects you're working on, and the videos you've generated from those drafts. Everything is right here, easy to access. To keep things organized, use Workspaces to manage your teams and projects. Within each workspace, you can create folders to keep all your drafts and videos in order. Now let's take a quick look at assets. Brand kits are there to help you maintain brand alignment in your videos. This is where you can upload your logos, fonts, and colors. Your content library is where you can upload any images, videos, and screen recordings needed for your videos. Up next, you have different pages where you can save specific pronunciations for voiceovers, as well as preview different voices and avatars. And finally, you can open your profile settings to see other useful tools and resources, such as our Help Center and Support Chat. Let's talk now about creating your video. You can start from scratch or a template, or you can use our AI Creator tool. You can also choose Import option, which lets you import your PDFs or presentations and turn them into videos. If you want to create an avatar of yourself, you can easily do that with instant avatars. If your goal is to explore the platform first and see how it looks, you can start from scratch, which is what we will do in this case. Once you're in the editor, here's a quick rundown. The top menu is where you will find your most important features, such as avatars, media, screen record, and interactivity. On the left, you'll find the script box, which lets you type in your video script, assign avatars, or just have your script narrated by a voice. At the bottom of the script box, you have a couple of features like AI Assistant, pauses, markers, pronunciation, also a play button which lets you play your script, and a download button which lets you download your narration. In the center of it all, it's the canvas. This is where you design and stylize your video, just like you would in a presentation. On your right, you have the Properties panel, which lets you control different settings and inputs of your elements on the canvas, as well as add music to your video. Finally, down below, you have your video scenes. On the top menu, on the left, you can preview your video, which once you are happy with the result, you can hit Generate. Once your video has been generated, you will be able to share it via a link, post it directly to your socials, or embed it on your website using the embed code. You can export the video different formats or watch it directly in Colossyan. Colossyan doesn't just let you watch your video, but also gives you analytics. You can also invite your team to your workspace to leave comments. If you have any issues with your video, you can report it using the Report button under your video. Awesome work! You've taken your first step into Colossyan. Up next, we'll explore the editor and see how to bring your scripts to life with scenes, text, and visuals.